A discrete random variable x with the PDF is given in the table. Find the density function of y for the transformation y is equal to 3x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Take this problem, all of you. So what is given? It is given in the table like this, x and p of x values. So x value is varying from 0 to 4 and corresponding p of x values are also given. Okay. So given now what is a PDF? PDF is what? PDF is nothing but it is summation p of xi del of x minus xi. See here what is PDF ma? PDF is nothing but it is summation p of xi del of x minus xi. Okay. So what is p of xi here? For first sample it is 0.2, no? It is 0.2 into del of x minus 0, del of x you get. Okay. Then for the second sample it is 0.12 del of x, sorry, del of x minus x1 here. What is x1 here is 1, no? So it is del of x minus x1. And what is that? Next value is 0.3 del of x minus 2. Then the next value is 0.15 del of x minus 3. And the next value is 0.2 del of x minus 4. Okay. So what is transformation given? So in the problem it is given that y is equal to 3x cube minus 3x square plus 2. So y is equal to 3x cube minus 3x square plus 2. Okay. Now we find out what is the Gaussian random variable of y for each value of x. Substitute each value of x. See here what are the x values? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No? So we'll be substituting these values and we'll be writing what is the Gaussian random variable of y. Okay, since two values of see here there are these two values are common, no? For x is equal to and 0 and x is equal to 1 will be mapped to only one value of y. Okay, then what is the probability of y is equal to 2 will be sum of the probabilities for x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. So what is probability of y is equal to 2 will be probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1. So what is probability of x is equal to 0 in the given table? 0.2 plus 0.15. So it is 0.35. Okay. So like this we will be finding what are the y values in the given table. See here we'll be finding all y values for given table. Okay. Similarly see here now we find out for y is equal to 14. Y is equal to 14. There is 1 to 1 mapping, no? Only for 2, there are two variable values of x are mapped to 2. So we are adding those two. Since 14 is only one time it is occurring. What is the value for 2 is 0.3, no ma? So value for 2 is 0.3 will be substituted here for y is equal to 14. So similarly, the next value is 56. No, for 56, see here 0.15. The next value is 0.2. See here for 3, 0.15, and for 4 means this is mapped to y value. Okay, if you convert it to y value, you'll be getting this particular value 730. And what is the probability here? What is the probability we got? 0.2. No, here also we'll be getting the probability is equal to 0.2. So if any particular value of y, see here, if it is mapped to more than one x value, then we have to add those probabilities. Okay, in this case 2 is occurring two times. Okay, what is the probability of x for those values? Okay, so that we have considered and we have added up here. So now if you draw this, if you write what is the probability density function, so it is given as, see here, what is the probability? 0.35 into del of x, here it is in terms of y minus 2, and 0.3 del of y minus 14, 0.15 del of y minus 56, 0.2 del of y minus 730. Okay, if you draw this, we will be getting impulses. If you draw the density function, we will be getting the state step waveform.